All right, we're here in the engine bay of a Leopard 50. We have a very high output alternator here. This is 130 amp at 48 volts, so we can get roughly 6,000 watts out of this power head here. And to be able to handle that much power, we need an effective control system, which is this brand new Arco Zeus regulator right here. It will protect the engine from overloading. It will protect the lithium battery bank from conditions that it doesn't like. This is basically the brains of this mechanical power beast right here. So very, very cool new piece of tech. We have it networked in the system. There's engine data that's being sent to the chart plotters. So let's go to the helm and see what it can do. All right, here it is. We've been working on this for a while. It's nice to finally see it announced and on the market. The Arco Zeus, very sophisticated alternator regulators, all the controls, settings, monitoring, diagnostic, everything is at your fingertips on the phone app. This is the main screen, the home screen. You see, in this case, we have two alternators. So you see alternator data at a glance. You can also select what kind of information you want to see on this. But if we dive in a little bit further, this is, once you get into one of the alternators, this is the main screen. Here we have bulk charging. I can have generator mode, hold standby, float, you know, a lot of options here. So we've got this in generator mode right now. So what generator mode does is it disregards the RPM curve that you have, and it gives you all that the alternator's got, maximum power. All right, I'm here at the helm of this beautiful Leopard 50. We've got a pair of high-up alternators. I can log into them with Bluetooth here at the helm. We see everything that's going on. Voltage, the amperage going in. We've got 2,000 RPM, which is kind of a typical cruising speed for these engines. But as you can see from our Victron screen here, we've got the air conditioning going. We're consuming 1,700 watts by this very efficient thermodynamic system. It's really cool that you can motor to your destination while charging your batteries, and in this case, very, very fast. We've got 214 amps going into the batteries, despite the fact that we are running the air conditioning on board. And most of us are used to a 12 volt system. This is a 48 volt system, so 200 amp is equivalent to 800 amps. So that's unheard of for us 12 volt system users. But it's really nice to be here at the helm with this Arco system where we can see everything. I could even, here, actually I gotta reverse the shunt here, but that's easy to do with the switch. It's in bulk charging, but if for some reason I wanted to put this one in standby, I can just, with my phone, by the push of a button, I've essentially disabled one of the alternators. You know, kind of a handy feature if you think your belt's slipping, you hear some squeaking down there, or the engine is acting erratically, you can just offload the alternator. So you can charge your batteries at 11 kilowatt hours and also be running everything that you want inside the boat, including the air conditioning. So it's really night and day compared to where things used to be on a 12 volt system. But I mean, here we are, 48 volt system, and all with the help of high up alternators and this brand new Arco regulator with an app where you can control everything on the phone. It's great.